kay Dr. Susolis and Dr. Valeria from my Invisalign braces. Go! And VNG Optical Works sa All-Star K-pop. Mamaya, manood po kayo. Napakaganda, pambihira po. One Proud Mama, that's every Monday, 8:30 p.m. at QTV. Ayan. Siyempre, ang Cool Change album under GMA Records. Huwag niyo po kalimutang vote para makawin ako sa something. Alam niyo na yon. And I will be in City Coliseum, Puerto Princesa, sa Palawan. Tomorrow po yan, magkita-kita tayo sa Palawan.
Ayan. I want to say thank you to everybody again. Thank you guys. I'm very touched. Thank you also to Bella Essentials, to Dr. Vicky Bella, Rostans Makati for my outfit, Roberto Cavalli for my eyewear, Smart, Symmetria, Wow Magic Sing, and para divang-diva ka ngayong summer, mag-forever flawless na.
Iya nga.
Flawless na.
Ako rin siya, I'd like to say thank you also to Ate Rich for staying. Sa lahat ng pasasalamatan ko, talaga, Ate Rich.
Dapat yata ako yung nagte-thank you for letting me stay.
I know. Anyway, eto na. Attention to all graduates of Camarines Norte. High school batch 1970.